Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get beach waves, mermaid hair. I'm going to show you what tools I use, what technique to use, products, everything that I do to get gorgeous beach waves in my hair. Let's get into the video. I hope you're all doing well. I'm going to show you how to do beach waves in your hair, inspired by Molly Mae. First thing I'm going to show you is these. These are hair wavers. It's a little tool, a little clamping tool. So I'm just going to switch those on and I'm going to set them at 210. Reason being is because I find it's quicker when they're at the hottest. I find it's quicker. You don't have to have it that hot. So I'm going to brush all my hair through. I like mine in a middle parting. It does look best in a middle parting. But you can also wear it in a side parting and do what Molly Mae does. She actually has the flick quite high up. So I'm going to section my hair. I have got hair extensions in. My hair is quite thin, so I only need to section my hair once. So I'll do a bottom layer and a top layer of the short bits that I have on the top. But I did my daughter's hair yesterday. Her hair is so thick. It took about an hour. I think it was over an hour actually. It's nearly at 210. These heat up very quickly. From Amazon and they're around £23. The Molly Mae styler is out. It's the same as these. It's a little bit more expensive though, but I will put all the links in the description what I'm using in the video. So you just click the link and then you can buy it. Right, so I'm going to take a small section from the back. And then you get your hair clamper. Be careful because it's very hot. I like to use mine this way. So you're going to put it in and then clamp it down and then wait. I count in my head. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 because I'm so impatient. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do that like about 4 or 5 times. Depending on how thick the piece of hair is that I've put in. Obviously the thicker the piece is, the longer you'll have to wait. And then just move it down to where you next need to curl. Don't pull on the hair after you've did the top half because when the hair is still hot, it needs to set cool as it's in the curl or the wave that you've just put in. Otherwise you'll just stretch it straight. So keep it like pushed up just a little bit like that so the curl can stay in place. I know it's not a curl, it's a wave. I keep saying curl, I don't know why. I think it'll sound daft if I just keep saying the wave. I'm actually obsessed with these beach waves at the minute. I literally wear them in my hair like every day now. They look gorgeous on a night out as well. But I find even just for your everyday hair, even if you're tying it up, it's beautiful. It looks stunning, I love it. So you just basically moving it down. Doesn't look that good with just like one layer, but as soon as all the other layers fall on top, it looks amazing. You can leave the end a little bit straight. That looks nice as well. It just depends what you like. It doesn't really make that much of a difference, but it does look nice as well. right here are pin curl clips, and I've put those in to set some of the curls around my face. They don't leave a mark on your hair or anything. I will put the link down below. Now you need to get your comb. This is a wide tooth comb, especially for these types of curls. Just lightly brushing it through. Can you see the difference of that side to that side? It really neatens it out. And there we have it. Now I'm going to add some Aussie Miracle Hair Serum. It's Aussie 3 Miracle Oil Reconstructor. I love it. It smells like bubblegum as well. And there we go. These will last me about a week, these curls. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.